She played the banger once. Yeah, that's good.
Do you want to hold this?
Can you stand in front of me? I'm sure.
You can hold this if you want.
No, I won't.
Knew you were going to say that.
Go on, Ollie.
Good, Emma! Oh, turn over. Turn over. Good work, Arjun! Good work, Arjun! No, I was into a bludgeon.
Oh no, wait, we're not allowed to shout.
Oh,
Good,
beautiful.
Lovely!
Arjun, great
Good
ball.
pass, good catch, Gio!
Good vision.
I mean, Gio's already getting incredibly arrogant. One goal and he's already like feeding himself.
What was he doing?
He was like,
Feeding.
like,
Disrespect.
we also playing these people.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, so if we
Yeah.
lose and they win, this is the most embarrassing thing ever.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
We should do a high five line next time. A high five line. So we all put our hands out and you high five. Yeah.
Good, Emma!
Yes, Emma.
How come Ollie doesn't have a shirt?
He's lent it to Kev.
Okay.
Don't get tilted, Ollie!
Go kid.
We've tapped someone 3 times your size.
Sorry, can you stop trying to stab me in the arm?
Do you want to hold it?
No, you hold
Then
it.
you get stuck in it.
No, I don't.
Yeah, definitely.
Stab me in, like here, but just not in the arm.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, good, my minions are holding their relative. Kidding, guys, they're not my minions. They're
Really,
my
2
close
steps
friends.
forward?
That's right.
Wow, the lob.
Good, Gio!
Lob game
No,
strong.
serious, I'm not speaking. Look at Ollie and Gio. And Ollie.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Go on, Gio! Pass it! Good. Oh, bad pass. I'm playing alright. Arjun, get back! Arjun, get back! Sorry if I yell at you.
2:30.
Should we go in at like 1:30? Yeah. I mean, like watching this is fun, but also I don't want people to get caught. Good, Ollie! Good, Ollie! Good! Oh, fuck, hang on, come on. Yeah, Monique, did you see that? Such rampant
What, Emma with the dirty cheating?
Yeah, I think it was just malcoordination. Go on, Nifflers! Ollie, go! Clean up! Good, Ollie!
Yes, Ollie.
Good, Ollie! Oh, Ollie. Oh, come on, boy. Good. Emma, quick, 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 quick! No, there is a bludgeon, Monique.
Come on, get it, Ollie.
Monique, there is a bludgeon.
Oh, really? What? No. He just. Yeah.
Oh, the swap. Oh. Yo, is it their advantage?
Their advantage,
Oh.
yeah. We're going to lose the ball.
Lame. Why? Why haven't they? I should know this because I'm an AR. Oh, lol.
Ollie, you might be about to lose bludgers, okay? It's going to be just you in a sec. Emma might be getting a cheeky card.
No, she deserves it. If it's like real sort.
I mean, he dived in front of her, but it was filthy.
Oh, I meant a different thing.
Oh, what, the
Yeah,
kick?
yeah.
She got away with one thing.
Yeah, I can't blame two. Emma, stop fouling. So what? 3 minutes into her Unbreakables career, already got a card.
These dirty nippers.
That's a ratio of like 6 yellows a game on a career. That is a bit.
Shame. Shame.
Mate, last a bit longer next time, yeah?
Emma, stop cheating.
Sliding in someone or something.
I couldn't stop running though. It's that momentum.
It's the hunger.
You're learning the Monique, I like it. Yeah, so do better.
Yeah, that's stage 2, not getting done.
Sorry, you have a lot to learn.
Go on, Ollie. You don't need Emma anyway.
It's true, you don't.
Who was the other chaser who started? Who did Carly come on? On the ball, on the ball! You ain't got any bludgers!
Yes, Pip!
Yes, Pip. Yes! Go, Gio!
Yes,
Yo, good work, Pip!
Beast mode.
Yeah, really good. Nah, I pulled it.
Ollie, you got him in behind you.
What are you pointing at?
Don't worry, keep it cool.
Well, Emma's in the way, so I'm just trying to
Who are you following?
get either side. Quaffle.
Ollie, turn on the jets, turn on the jets.
Oh, it is kind of punching.
Yeah, it's quite wide.
Oh, Ollie! Keep going, Gio! Drop! Drop, Gio!
Yes, Gio.
Good! Just turtle! They can't beat you! Emma, you know you have to remount on the hoops, yeah?
Ollie, take. Oh, no, it's fine. Let him do it. He knows what to do.
It was yeah, 10-0, I think. Yeah. It was a nice one.
Positioning was good. Honest, Gio's vision was crap though. Yeah, he should have seen that. That's Gio.
Should have seen it. Go on, Arjun. Keep in front.
Arjun, light him up, Arjun.
No, don't tell him wrong shit. Arjun, chill now.
Great pressure, Arjun. Great pressure, Arjun.
Arjun, you're about to get beat out.
Chase Arnie!
Ball, ball. Good, Gio.
I know.
Good, Ollie. Arjun and Gio actually is like an okay combo.
Yeah.
Lovely, Arjun. Lovely drive. Good drive.
Yeah, boy.
Good drive. Good dish. It wasn't actually a good dish. Oh, big boy John's coming on. What's the score? 20 now!
Time, please. It's 6:20.
No, definitely not like.
Do we call when it was 6 minutes?
Yeah, that's because of the better team. Also, you're not an 18, fuck off, yeah?
No, but as in, what that's goal big? Did you call it though?
The gay-bay relationship.
I don't think you did.
Your loyalties are pretty split, so far, guys. It's lucky we've just recruited Uti.
Ooh!
Otherwise it'd be 3 and 2. Otherwise it'd be 2 and 2, which is the team here.
Did I tell you I was happy?
Oh, nice. Like gold and stuff. Oh, thank you. That's really good.
I saw that two of you were driving, but Oki was right there. I was like,
Like, maybe.
no, but I know you were on the train anyway. So.
Oh, on like the actual just me going 100% better.
Yeah.
I think it's better to do that than that.
Yeah, no, I was taking it.
Yeah, for sure. Like if it wasn't slippery, I would pass it more, but like legit, if it's goal for me.
Yeah, you had momentum anyway.
Go on, John! Go, John! Go on, John! Go on, John! I really want John to succeed. Lovely John. John's such a hustler.
Yes, Ned!
Go, John! Isn't Ned quite good? Not good.
Oh, he took that hit.
That was so that was so Yo, no bludgers! No bludgers! Yeah, that's off. Well, Gio! On your left! Go, Gio! Go, Gio! Go, Gio! Good, Gio! Good! Good! Well done, Gio! Oh yeah, we're gonna trash one.
John!
Can you make sure you're clear with the goals? What's the score?
30-0.
That's not a response.
30-0.
It's 3-0. Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah, fuck off a shower. Anyone behind you?
Oh, yes, John!
Yes, John.
Go on, Ellie, fucking hell. Oh, almost. JK. Go on.
Oh, guys, it's so fucking brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Get under here. That's where the party's at.
Yeah, this is where the party happened. This is the thick boy
You
umbrella.
can commentate.
So far, it's just me heckling him.
Quidditch commentating is worst.
Why are we filming this though?
Just felt like it.
Oh, Joe, just for your fun?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet, yeah.
For your own perverted pleasure.
This is
You
what I
can watch
do.
it back and like, look at all these balls being dropped.
Oh yeah. 2 hands.
Look at how good I would be.
We really need
Oh,
to,
that's so strange.
we really need to keep this game going, guys.
Not so good at Quidditch. Because he trains with me over the summer. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want to start the same style lineup
Yeah.
against Leeds. I think that worked really well. I think Harry's hits have been good actually,
Yeah, he's a good defender.
which we were going to want against Josh Armitage, who is getting
Is he on-
cold.
is he on-
He's getting cold and wet and going to be a snitch. He's 29.
Oh,
Sean,
He's good,
the bludgeons
and
as
also
well.
he might beat you for wins after as
There's a
well.
yellow card on a beat.
Oh, we'll
He's
see about
fast.
that.
He's very fast.
No, yeah, I remember. I've played against him
oh, I think I know.
QPR.
So is that the Leeds kit?
Maybe. I don't know.
I'm not even playing. But I've literally just until they do. Play the whistle, mate. Play the whistle. I failed, guys. I didn't
I
get
hate
your
when
bludgeon.
people are
I'm
friendly
so
to me.
sorry.
Fuck off and kill them.
Yeah.
Not even hit the phone.
Yes, Ned,
Oh,
that
Ned's
pace.
quick.
Oh, but it was pointless. Go on, John! Oh, this is why I watch this. Porn of John scoring. Team heads ahead!
Oh, keep going.
Give the fans what they want, John. Give the fans! Yes, John! Yes, John! Give the fans what they want, John.
That ain't good, mate.
It's 4-0.
4-0.
4-0, yeah.
4-0! Gio, 4-0!
9:30.
Oh, almost cheeky first reset.
Oh, that's quite a good beat.
Good, Ned. You still got it by hoops.
Oh, yeah, keep going, keep going.
Ned, watch behind.
Ned's behind.
Yes.
Nice. Watch out, Ned. Press, press. Good, John. Good, John. Maz, murder Maz, John.
It's an animal.
False faves.
Yeah, John.
What? Another time, John. Keep going. Good, Gio. Oh, that might have been pushed from behind him.
It's not like they're going to call anything.
Yes.
So if she's our ref, we're just going to play really dirty because she's not going to call anything.
Obviously, if anyone listens to this video, this is
It'll be after the match, so.
Doesn't matter.
Is Gio going to collect his pass? No, actually, can't it.
What I don't understand is why Ned doesn't have the letter N. As his,
Do we have an end?
we've got an N, but
yeah.
Ollie's got
Oh.
N.
They need to swap.
Yeah, exactly. Makes sense.
Two Y's there.
Can I slide kick it?
Don't do that.
But like also,
Fabian, I played left back for 10 years. A
Against
slide tackle is the thing I'm best at.
against NADOs you can.
40-0.
I think we got carded for sliding.
Good Gio! Good Gio!
Yes, Gio!
Oh, we're gonna kill a clean sheet.
Oh, look at Seward. I love it.
So like sliding at 7, it's like...
Yo, make sure you sub properly!
Come on, team!
I'm becoming a massive Seward fan. He's such a lovely person.
And he puts in a lot of work.
He does, yeah.
He gives 110.
And he seems to really care, even though he doesn't say anything.
Yeah. Well, he's in Edinburgh.
Yeah, exactly.
High ratio.
Oh, what's that? Yes! Put it in!
The underarm.
Good!
The finger
5-0,
roll.
Gio! 5-0!
Also, the Unbreakables defence isn't bad.
To be honest, they haven't conceded.
Yeah.
We'd conceded by now.
We probably would have, yeah. Like a counter attack goal or something. Oh, what a layup.
Yeah, he is.
Good transition.
Go on! Stop kicking the ball! Oh my god!
He deserves that guy.
Who
Try!
if it were me, I'd throw it behind my head, but
Oh, he tried it.
Stop it, you fool!
Look cool, Ollie! It would have looked cool!
Lovely, Ollie! No, everyone don't obscure. Don't get banned from BQC.
I can, I'll take one for the team.
Turtle,
Get all the way there.
Ooh.
Nothing to see here, just 4 months. 4 months, okay?
I know I'm 11.
Wondering what that was.
Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
guys, get out of the way. Thanks. Is this alright? Someone's really unpickle. We're just a thing. Good, Ollie! Good, Ollie! Keep going!
He puts some big hits, doesn't he? Number 9. Do we know the name?
but it's completely useless if you're a beater because you just get beat out. Like it doesn't do anything.
Go,
Well, I
Ollie!
think
Go,
some
Ollie!
people do it.
6-0! 6-0! I made it 7. Gio, you're comfortably out of range!
I'm now under this one. Okay, yeah, cool.
No, soon you have to tap back in the hoops.
You're off through. You're good.
Run to the hoops, tap on.
Don't do it me, man.
Yeah, I know that.
Don't do it me. Don't do it. That's the game, Ollie.
That's the game. Paolo, what's that for? Oh, fuck. Go, Gio! No!
Okay, go!
No! Go! Run! Good goal. No, there's 3. Well done!
She did see it.
Ollie!
No, Ollie's fine, his eye.
Seeker! Seeker! Seeker!
Job.
You got this, Carly.
Make sure you wear yourself out for our game, yeah? That works like that. She's just gonna stand still.
I would like the range.
And don't come again another day either.
Just walk on and just go.
Go, Carly!
You know, something like
So we have got gender today.
We have almost too much.
Almost breaking gender for females.
Oh, that's what I was about to check.
Watch the gender, guys! Too many females!
Yeah, we didn't know dude on there.
Need less
It's lucky, like,
gender. Let it out, girls!
Please focus on sport, not legends.
Yes, Ollie!
Oh! Oh!
Well done, Ollie!
Oh my god!
Oh, he's legit been giving me so much time.
Oh, come on.
Why did they not get a card for throwing the broom? Go, Sharp!
I mean, they're calling.
Do you want to see?
No, Carly, go on
He's
first.
getting tilted because Ollie keeps face facing him. There should not have been fucking injuries. You could have walked like that was an injury suck. The guy that Ollie faced me.
The guy who threw his broom.
Yeah.
I think I've decided that me, for the game, the simplest kind of Snip. It's just going to be whenever he moves.
Yeah.
When he crosses halfway line, hit him with it.
Ned, keep that pace.
Go on, Arjun!
Hannah, back now. Hannah, come back. Good. Yes, Arjun. Put the gas on.
Good running, Arjun!
Really well done, Unbreakables. Perfect. Well done. Arjun, that body block though. I don't know. Don't worry about it.
Don't get tilted!
Tilt them some more.
She's swollen.
Her?
Yeah, be careful with neck contact.
You're ahead. Don't wear yourself out because you don't have too many seekers. So only go for it when she
I'll be like,
Go for you,
a
Go for
bit
you.
of pressure on you can do some pushing.
Hit Eamon. Yes, Ned. Arjun, you have no blood.
Arjun, watch your left! Watch your left! Go now!
Good decision, Ned.
Good, Arjun.
I come back. Yes, Yes.
Don't forget up now.
Still go, Arjun! It's a goal now! Fall in the hoop, please.
Oh, for God's sake. I think so. Yes, Arjun, good job. Hannah, glasses. Hannah, how you doing? Next one. One for Hannah.
Spectators box, yeah.
Yeah.
There's always that people standing around, you don't know where to stand, and you go, wait, no, I'm standing with the team. Oh, wait. You're like, wait. What's up, guys? I thought they were just all organising what they were wearing today.
Getting Harry's way. Don't just try to
I'm looking at playing, but I had my first session last week for Cambridge.
Oh, good.
I'm from Luton, so...
I'm severely down. It's going to take a long time.
Oh, next game is 12 against
Definitely going to win.
You'll see the orange.
Yeah, babes.
I'll find out.
You enjoyed it?
Gio, you're on 8-0.
Oh, no, I'm going to take this one.
Go on, Pet! You can do anything, and then you're just like, don't know your shot. And then you see, if you want to throw something, do this. If you want to tackle someone, do that. So,
Got to be a couple times, so it's 8-0. Shall we go get some balls? Yeah.
Next match.
unless it's, yeah, they probably don't want to cold catch it. Yeah, so they don't lose.
Go on, people, you ain't your time. Let's really go win.
Guys, what's time to score?
80-0. Okay. Sorry about that.
Here's my coach right there in wrestling, green shorts. One of my coaches, my other coach is right there. That was Mitch. He's on. Jesus Christ, he's so fast.
Oh, look, Carly!
No, we were playing against Leeds. You see your man that's playing Smith right now?
Yeah.
That motherfucker, I cannot bring him down. I consider myself a big enough boy, but he is just...
He's got a lot of speed, and he's
fast.
Yeah.
No, I got him, but he knocked my arm out of the way so that he just slapped him, and I'm just like, fuck.
Oh, I'm George, I realised.
Okay.
So I have that thing of I start
No, it's
talking
all
to people, then realise I don't actually
I do
tell
that-
people my
I
name.
do that all
as
the
soon
time.
as then, so it's funny because then people go, so you're just talking to such and such, you go. I don't.
Not a clue. George, okay. So where are you from in England?
Luton.
Where's that?
So London's there, just like there. So we're not in London, but we're
Just outside.
yeah. Well, we've got an airport.
Okay.
Proper side, boy, the proper Sarah. Yeah, there's right, Sarah, you're playing man marking.
We've got a yellow weather warning all day today.
Yeah. Here, we're still playing some
There was
Quidditch.
like a minute on the BBC website.
Damn, nice tackle. It's a lovely day for Quidditch. I'll go to my milk tomorrow.
Apparently, it should then be better. The yellow weather warning isn't in effect then, but it then depends how much rain drops tonight. It could just...
The entire Quidditch game is just going on. Just, you know, it's
Oh, because it's a social, isn't it?
And 22. Yeah.
all the time.
Well, was that just a time check? I think it might have been, yeah. Ooh! Goal? No, someone just took a bludgeon to the face. Then they caught it, and then there was a second one.
See, I'm learning how to play Seeker, so like I'm more actually watching the Seeker.
Seeker?
It's difficult.
It is. I've been a bit of a section.
Hold on, why was the beat holding the clock? Oh no, he's keeper. Keeper. Yeah, oh no.
Come on, Gio!
Play smart, Kieran.
Catch the snitch, Gio!
Had a really nice catch earlier. They literally went in, and I thought it just connected like with Snitch's leg or something, and they hadn't done it. And then it stopped, and then they were just like, yeah, we got it, and he was just holding it. Didn't even notice. It was just
Thank you. Thank you. On then. It's yours.
Oh, there's two.
There's another one.
It's alright, I'll take it. Do you guys want an umbrella?
Yeah, please.
Do you also want to film this?
Yeah.
That's okay.
No worries.
So if there's like a big break,
Yeah.
you can pause it by pressing the top button.
No worries.
And then just start it again.
Awesome.
But yeah, I trust you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We've been entrusted. Pete. You want to get onto this?
Yeah.
Here, hold it. I'll film. Yeah, you're under it. Good. No go, no go. Here he comes. Oh shit!
That's it, he could have caught the wrong thing there.
I got it! Nope, nope, wrong. Ah! Nope, wrong one! That was bad. Hi Philip. I'm filming a lot of the sketch game right now. Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh.
That seems to be a thing of you can't get it in the hoop if the hoop's not there anymore.
Yeah.
2060! 26.5 minutes. Score!
90-20.
9-2.
So how was your travel up?
Easy. 35-minute flight, like from Dublin. Yeah, we only got delayed by like half an hour.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it really wasn't bad.
Nice flight.
Yeah, very good. Like no problems whatsoever. What about you? Did you get a train here or did you get a place?
I work at Gatwick, so
All right.
so I literally after my shift legged it over.
Fair fuck.
Went into departures. Kind of found out about this on Tuesday, so I was just like,
Are you in university?
no.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
22. How old are you?
18. Yeah, I'm a young'un.
You at college?
Yeah, I'm in Trinity in Dublin.
What do you study, if you don't mind me asking?
Religion and philosophy. Yeah, arts degree. Alright, she's not a keeper anymore. I don't seek her anymore. Here comes her mom. Oh shit, okay. Oof.
But at least he stayed mounted, that's the thing.
Man, that's all you need to do. See, I'm a big fan of sliding and jumping when I play keeper, and that gets me in trouble sometimes. But it's alright. Here it comes.
Second handicap!
Skull! I was angry. What airline do you work for at Gatwick?
What?
Do you work for an airline at Gatwick?
No, I sell the SIM cards there.
Ah, okay.
So I used to do it in Luton, which was only a half an hour walk. Now they've got me going by train.
Oh, Jesus, to Gatwick.
Yeah.
Is that every day?
Yeah, Monday to Friday.
Fuck. Is it good?
If it was what they said that it was going to turn out to be, then yes. So I've been doing it for like nearly a year in Luton.
Oh, I'll just go.
It was going right there, then they changed my hours and they kept reducing it.
Yeah.
And they sent me to Gatwick, and then the hours. Did he just get
Yeah.
taken with a blush?
Yeah, it's I'm so happy I got that. Oh my god.
I'm glad that's all.
Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh.
Yeah. They're stopping the contract though next month.
Okay.
So, yeah. After at least I can find somewhere closer in Luton.
Yeah. Very true. Oh, fucking hell. Tired. Next game's at 12, so you'll see us playing, and you'll hear me, because I'm fucking loud.
I'm definitely going to watch you.
You wanna?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
I'll just make sure I've got
Oh,
you
shit.
covered and that.
Huh?
I'm just trying to make sure I've got you covered.
Yeah, you got me, dude. Don't worry about it. Oh, man. Just fucking can't catch the snitch. My god, that is hard. Right here. Go. That was solid.
Unbreakables scored, right?
Yeah.
Emily, was that a goal or no? Emily! Emily!
Damn, alright. Same. To be fair, I did the same thing.
31!
Emily, was that a goal? Emily!
Was that a goal?
Was that a goal on that? We didn't know if it was good.
Okay, right, so 140.
140. No, we did this one.
Here, just umbrellas tipping down a bit. Here, focus more on yourself. I'm grand.
I'm like, yeah, I was just.
I thought that, I mean, that was in the
Oh, man.
I'm gonna be goal reference in that. What should I focus on?
Anything.
Third handicap, snitch!
Oh, the snitch listened.
Okay, can I have the score in front, please?
60, 100,
60, 100? Okay, right then.
Cheers. Right, Tornadoes need one more go, and then they're both in swim. Go. Nothing. Oh, Jesus. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
This one I wore at Northern and someone stole all of me, and I was on my crutch. I was like, that's my chair.
Oh, so close.
Can you not push her up?
This is actually a really interesting game. Holy Jesus.
Because Tornadoes seem to have been bringing it back. Because
Yeah.
what people were saying about them having no points now, they've got.
60.
They may have just played the long game for it,
Yeah.
get the other team to side themselves out.
Definitely.
And
I totally agree. They're doing really well now. Right, come on.
then it is. Whatever you do, just keep the motivation up.
Exactly. Just it's all about morale.
you want that back?
Cheers. No, you can stay under if you want.
Cheers.
I don't
If I can join
Yeah,
you.
go on.
Cheers. Did you say that you lived in Luton?
Yeah.
You're not too far from London.
Yeah.
We've got plenty of places. We're always.
I'm gonna be joining Cambridge.
Oh, you are? Oh, okay. Rivals.
What team do you play for?
The Unspeakables, so
Oh, okay.
the other team.
What time?
the other ones
what
the
day
team?
do you guys do trainings on?
Saturdays.
Okay, so I might come down to one if
no.
that wouldn't be an issue.
Yeah, no, you're more than welcome. We have people from other teams come as well.
So I was gonna think, because it's you can just hop on a train to there, and then Cambridge does on Sunday, so I can get like 2 days of
cool.
training in on the weekend,
Yeah.
which is gonna be quite good.
And we usually go to the pub afterwards as well, so it's a chill.
It's nice because then you get a good day, and you also then get a nice social thing. So if your week's been a bit
Yeah.
it's just nice to have some good to look forward to at the weekend.
Yeah, and I'm starting to run some like midweek fitness sessions as well, so there's always opportunity.
We're playing the Tornadoes next. Dublin.
Oh, he's caught.
Yeah.
Let's hope it's good. I'm getting cold.
Don't celebrate. Don't celebrate yet. Don't celebrate yet. I'm gonna run back.
Yay. Are you staying outside?
But
Are you staying outside?
we'll see when the next